Hi students, friends, very good morning to all. I welcome you all in our Sweri family. This is our first lecture on your class. This is the direct second year class. So first of all, very warm welcome to all of you. So before starting our actual session, I think it will be better to have a introduction of uh, myself and introduction of you uh, to all of other friends, okay, and to me also. So here, first of all, I will introduce myself, and then you will introduce one by one. Okay, I will take name as per the participant list which is there. Okay, then you have to tell your name, then your native place, and from which college you have completed your diploma, and what are the percentage. It is optional if you want to say, otherwise it is not necessary to tell your marks. Okay, so that will be on your side, the choice. So first of all, I will introduce myself. I am Professor HR Pawar. I have the industrial experience of 2 years and teaching experience of 10 years. I have done my postgraduate in water resources engineering, one of the branch of civil engineering. Okay. I have 2 years industrial experience and 10 years of teaching experience. In teaching, I have taught on the diploma college for the 4 years. Okay. So out of 10 years, 4 years is of the diploma teaching, and 6 years I have taught to the degrees college. Okay. In diploma, I have taught the subject like in the first year of the diploma, I have taught the mechanics, engineering mechanics subject I have taught. Then construction materials, CMA, that subject was there. So that also I have taught. Then on the second year, on the third semester, I have taught the building construction, BCO, that subject. Then in the second sem, that is fourth sem of the diploma, second sem of the second year, I have taught hydraulics, then geotechnical engineering. It may be, I think it is on the fourth sem or third sem, I think, that geotechnical engineering subject. Then third year, I have taught irrigation engineering, then management and advanced construction techniques. These subjects I have taught in the diploma side. And in the degree, I have taught subjects like in the first year, basic civil engineering, then applied mechanics. Then in second year, I have taught fluid mechanics 1, fluid mechanics 2. Okay. In the third year, for the third year students, I have taught the environmental engineering 1, environmental engineering 2, and water resources engineering. Okay. These are the subjects I have taught to the degree students, right? And presently, I am also pursuing the PhD in water resource engineering, in civil engineering, okay, from the WIT College Solapur. So this was my little introduction to all of you. Now, I think all other students from your class, let have the introduction. You have to tell your name, then your native place, then you can tell your college name, diploma college name, then you can tell your percentage if you want. Okay, so let us have introduction one by one, and then we will see the introduction of our subject. Okay, that is introduction to fluid mechanics. You can unmute and you can tell your introduction. Sharan Nagur. Okay.
Sir. My name is Sharan Vasappa Nagura, proper Mindargi, and my college name is SVSRV Polytechnic Akalkota, and last year of aggregate 81.
81%. Okay, nice. Sharon, do you having that teachers Chaugule sir there in the Akalkot? I think he's in the electronics and telecommunication. You may not be knowing him. Chougule sir was there.
No, sir.
And one madam, Birazdar madam was there in civil. Was she there, Birazdar madam?
No, sir.
Okay, she might have left the college, I think. Okay, nice. Then Aditya,
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Aditya Pawar.
Hi sir, good morning sir. My name is Adityanand Pawar. I am from Kharsoli. My last year college name is Swedish Polytechnics of Engineering, and I have completed. My last year aggregate is 88.58%.
Okay, nice, nice. Thank you. Next, Sanket Badve. Sanket, are you DSY student? Then you have put their roll number 16. What is that? 69? Yes, Sanket. Okay, Akanksha Bakre. Akanksha, are you listening me? Am I audible to you? Sharon, you can mute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can tell your introduction, your name.
Good morning, sir. My name is Akanksha Bhakre from Pandharpur.
Okay.
Last year college is Swedi, and last year aggregate 83.60.
Okay, nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next student, Akash Gaikwad.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. My
morning.
name is Akash Gaikwad. I am from Ekurke, Taluka Mohol. I have completed a diploma from Government Polytechnic Solapur, and my last year percentage is 19.79. Thank you, sir.
Good, nice. Ekruke, where it is situated, on the which road?
Mohol Varshi.
Mohol Varshi. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mohol Varshi. Okay, nice. Actually, my native place, I have forgot to tell you. I basically belongs to the place Darfur, which is situated on the Solapur Varshi road. Okay, near to, you might have heard the Wadala Nanas on that road, and or you
Yes,
can
yes.
say
Uttar Solapur.
Yes, Solapur Vairag road on that, and the Tahsil is the Uttar Solapur Taluka, right?
Yes, yes.
Then next student, Ganesh. Ganesh Wagmare.
Yes, sir. My name is Ganesh Dasu Agmare. I am from Mangalwada, and I have completed diploma in FAPTEC College, Sangola. And my last year aggregate marks is 85.32. Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Next student, okay, Rohan.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm Rohan Babra Lohar. I'm from Maindargi, Taluka Akkalkot. My last year college is Sri SVSMDS Polytechnic College, Akkalkot, and my last year aggregate is 77.60.
Okay, nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next student, who is next? Ajit Devmare.
Sir.
Yes, introduce.
Sir, my name is Ajit Popad Devmare. I am from Pandharpur. My last year percentage 80.81.65.
You have completed your diploma from which college?
Sweri College, sir.
Very College. Okay, nice. Next student is Vedant.
Good morning, sir. I am from Mahindragiri Taluka, Akkalkot. I have completed last year diploma in Government Polytechnic Solapur with aggregate 85%.
Okay, nice. Next student is Godse. Anisha Godse.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good
I am
morning.
Godsani Sharun. I am from Wanewadi in Usmanabad district. I have completed my diploma civil engineering in Bhagwan Institute of Technology, Barshi. I have got 78.74 in diploma final year. Thank you.
Okay, BIT Barshi. So I have forgot that before coming to Sweri, I was there in the BIT Barshi Degree College. I have taught there for 2.5 years to the degree college. Okay. Godse Anisha. Wanewadi means it's near to Kati.
No, sir.
Which is the Tahsil, Taluka?
Kudwadi. Taluka Paranda.
Paranda. Okay, that is another Wanewadi. So near to my village, there is one more Wanewadi is there. It is also in Usmanabad district, but Taluka is Tulzapur. So that is a different village. Then who is that? Kekan. Dasharath. Dasharath Kekan.
Good morning, sir. I am from Kochhabur Taluka, Akkalkot. I have completed diploma in Akkalkot, sir. I use aggregate 85, sir.
Okay, nice. Next student is Manasi.
Good morning, sir. Myself Mansi Kantilal Kare. I'm from Diganchi Taluka Atpadi, district Sangli. I have completed diploma from Sweri itself, and my diploma aggregate is 92.37%. Thank you, sir.
Nice. Next student Mangedkar Shruti.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mangedkar Shruti Sanjay. I am from Bhandi Shegaon. I completed my civil engineering in Karmayogi Polytechnic College, Sherve. I got last year 93.74%.
Nice. One of my friend is from Bhandi Shegaon, Mavli Sarovod. Now he is a doctor in the civil hospital Solapur. He was from Bhandi Shegaon. Are there people's surname with Sarovod there in the Bhandi Shegaon? Yes, Mansi. Yes, network issue is there, no problem. Then Khandagale. Khandagale, your name you have not put their name, surname you have just put there. Introduce yourself.
My name is Ganesh Khandagale. I'm from Sangola, and diploma is completed in same college. And last year percentage is 85.56. Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice. Before a few years back, I came to Captech College for taking my that oral examination of the hydraulic subject, but I think you may not be there at that time. Then Pawar sir was there, Sharad Pawar, I think he was there at that time. Am I correct? Sharad Pawar sir there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then who is that? Manjunath.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Myself Manjunath Mitra, and I am from Nagur, Taluka Akkalkot, and I have completed diploma degree in Akkalkot SVSMB College, and my last year aggregate is 80%.
Okay, nice, Manjunath. Thank you. Mayur Shende.
Sir, myself Mayur Shende. I am from Kurdwadi. I completed my diploma in Swedish College of Engineering, Polytechnic Pandurpur Last year I got 95%.
Nice, good. Then that person who is that Poco M2 Pro, you have to put your name there. Okay, there is option when you click on their participant or on your name, rename there and put your name. Poco M2 Pro. You have not got your roll number till date, so you have to put your name there, because when I am going to take the attendance, I am taking the screenshot of your attendance. Okay, that participant list. So in that, if your name coming like Poco M2 Pro, then I will not get the exact your name, and you will be marked as absent. Okay, who is the person that? Please change your name. Till that, I will take the other person's introduction. Prachi. Prachi More, you can introduce.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Myself, my name is Prachi Manoj More. I have completed diploma is Bhagwanta Institute of Technology, Barshi. Diploma aggregate is 79.63% at post Agalgaon, Tel Barshi district, Solapur.
Okay. So Patil sir are there? A.R. Patil sir?
Ha, yes, sir.
Then Sarvadi sir?
Ha, yes.
Jagtap sir?
Yes.
Right. So I was there at that time. All these persons were there, and they are nice teachers.
Yes.
Then Prathamesh Kamble.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Myself, Prathamesh Ganesh Kamble. I am from Balavdi Taluka, Sangola. My last year college name is Chivai Polytechnic College, Sangola. And last year aggregate marks 84.47%.
Nice. Thank you. Next student. Rohan. Rohan, I think it is over. Rohan. Then Rupesh. Rupesh is also over or not?
Yes, sir.
Have you given, no, I think you are not given. You were mute, I think, at that time. You can introduce yourself.
No, sir. Huh?
Introduce yourself.
My name is Rupesh Badve. I am from. My name is Rupesh Badve. I am from Pandharpur. My last year aggregate is 90.89, and I have completed diploma in Sweri College.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Then Rutuja.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Rutuja Bibhishan Gauri. I am from Barshi. I have diploma complete in Swedish College of Engineering, and last year aggregate is 83.26.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Thank you to all. Next one is Samadhan Muri.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Myself, Samadhan More from Daudas, Taluka Mangalwada. I had completed my diploma in Sweri College with 85 aggregate.
Okay, thank you. After Samadhan, Sandeep.
My name is Sandeep Tukaram Pawar, and proper Hydra and Taluka Akkalkot. My completed college is SPSMD Polytechnic Akkalkot, and my aggregate is 84.5%.
Okay, nice. Next student after Sandeep, Sharan. Sharan is over. Sripad Gauhani.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Sripad Bhagavan Gawane. I am from Pandharpur. I am completed diploma in Swedish College of Polytechnic Pandharpur. My aggregate percentage is diploma 89%.
Okay, nice.
Thank you, sir.
Next is Shubhangi Umbarje.
Good morning, sir.
Good
My
morning.
name is Umbarja Shubhangi Chandrakar. I am from Solapur. I have completed my diploma in Brahmadev Dada Mane Polytechnic, Belati, Solapur, with aggregate 87.11%.
Okay, Shubhangi Umbarje, BMIT. Do you are having the faculty name Amina Ansari in your diploma? I think she has left now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. She was my colleague at the SVIT Polytechnic when I was teaching there. She was with me. She was colleague with me there.
Yes, sir.
So I think she was HOD there, and then after a few years, she has left the college.
Yes, sir.
Then Smita Pandit.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Smita Nagesh Pandit. I am from Murum district, Usmanabad. I have completed diploma in Swedish College of Polytechnic Pandharpur, and I have got 86% in diploma. Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice. Then next is Vijay Lokhande.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Lokhande Vijay Dattatre. I am from Palsi. I have completed my diploma in Swedish College and last year aggregate of 78%.
Okay, nice. Palsi is Taluka Pandharpur?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next student is Viswajit Busnar.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Vishwajit Busner. I am from Pandharpur. I have completed diploma in Karmayogi Polytechnic College, Shelwe. I got 86.63%. Thank you, sir.
Nice. Karmayogi Polytechnic. Your HOD name is I think Karande. No, not Karande, sir. Who is the HOD?
Korbu, sir.
Who is?
इम्रान कोरबू.
बदलले का अगोदर दुसरे होते कोण काय त्यांचं नाव मला आठवणार. पेनूरची काहीतरी होती बघा. हा डिग्रीला आहेत ते, डिप्लोमा नाही आहेत, डिग्रीला डिग्रीचे HOD आहेत. बरोबर. Okay, nice to have introduction of all of you. So now introduction part is over. Now we will have the introduction of our subject that I am going to deal with you on this subject, introduction to fluid mechanics. In diploma, you have already studied the subject named hydraulics, and in there in diploma, whatever you have learned, it was just very introductory part. It was there, theory and problems kind of thing was there, and just you were having the overview about what is the fluid mechanics all about. That is required from the civil engineering point of view, right? Now here in degree, you are going to deal with the two subjects which are based on this hydraulics or the fluid mechanics. In first semester of the second year, you are going to deal with the subject named Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. Earlier, this subject name was Fluid Mechanics 1, and right now it has been changed the name to the Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. And in the second sem of the second year, you are going to deal with the another subject named Hydraulic Engineering. Earlier, it was named as Fluid Mechanics 2. Okay. In Fluid Mechanics 1, you are going to learn the fundamentals things of the fluid mechanics as well as flow through the pipes. Okay, characteristics of the flow through the pipes, fluid kinematics and fluid dynamics. These are the main concept you are going to learn in this particular Introduction to Fluid Mechanics subject. And in hydraulic engineering, that is fluid mechanics 2, you are going to learn about the open channels, how to design the open channels, what are the various types of open channels, what is specific energy, then what are the various types of hydraulic machines, like hydraulic pump is there and hydraulic turbines are there. You have just idea about that. You have learned there, but not the derivation and problems you have not solved. So these things you are going to learn in the hydraulic 2. So let us begin our here in the introduction to fluid mechanics subject. Unit 1 is the fluid properties, but before going into the unit number 1 of the fluid mechanics, we will have the overall idea about this subject, what is there inside the subject, what is the title and what is the meaning of the title of our subject. That is introduction to fluid mechanics. Okay, first we will understand the each word separately, and then collectively what is the meaning of this term introduction to fluid mechanics, that we will see. Okay, introduction is it is known to all of you. Introduction is nothing but it is the means of introducing something. Okay, it is the act or mean of introducing something. Here we are introducing to you, all of you, to this subject called as the fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics subject is introduction ahe, that we are going to learn in this subject. That's why it is given the title as an introduction. Though it is introduction, but it is in-depth introduction you are going to take here. It is not like the introduction you have got in the diploma in the name of hydraulics. So some of the students may be getting somewhat bothered about that. To the some students, that hydraulic subject, they might be feel it was difficult because there were a lot of numericals problems are there, then theory part is there. The same thing is here, but don't bother about that, about the difficulty about the subject. Those students who fail or to understand the concept there, so don't bother that. Here also we are going to learn everything from the scratch. Okay, from basic itself, from initial, from the start point of the subject itself, we are going to learn everything. Okay, rather I can say relearn. Already you have learned, but I will say it a relearning of the subject we are going to do here from the basics. And I will take the care that no one will get that much, no one will feel this subject much difficult. Okay, you will feel this subject is much more easier and very interesting to you unless and until you do the things or the task on the time. You will feel it very easy. जोपर्यंत तुम्ही जे सांगितले ते वेळच्या वेळ जर करत गेलात तर तुम्हाला हा सब्जेक्ट अजिबात डिफिकल्ट नाही वाटणार. ओके, अँड इफ यू मिस द लेक्चर्स अँड इफ यू डोंट do the task whatever the given assignments or the if you don't attend the lectures seriously, okay, carefully, then the chances are that you may feel the subject somewhat difficult, because many concepts are interdependent on each other. Means if you miss the one lecture, then it is somewhat difficult to understand the next lecture. Even then also I am what I do every lecture, I take the revision of the previous class what you have taught. Okay, you have been taught. So every lecture in the initial few minutes I will take the introduction, that revision of the things, the concepts which you have learned. Also, one more advantage of this online lecture is that every lecture will be recorded and it will be uploaded on the YouTube, and the link will be shared to all of you through the teaching diary. So if any one student have due to some reason have missed some lectures, then he can go on that link, click on that link. There is a YouTube channel created by our that department YouTube channel is there, college YouTube channel. There also you can open that YouTube video and you can get the concept which you have missed earlier. जे की आपलं विसरलंय ते आपण तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी concept clear घेऊन करून घेऊ शकताय. But don't rely on that. Whatever the lectures or the things we get understood in the lecture, that is at the different level, and if you watch the videos that will be at the other level. So this is the most what I can say important and effective way of communication here in the lecture. Okay, this is the lecture, I am talking here, you are listening, and I am asking the question to you, you are giving the answer to the question, and if you are having any doubt, then you will ask the question and then I will answer to that. So this kind of interactive session this is the most effective way of communication, rather just listening the videos, because it will be more monotonous, or just reading the books, that is also somewhat monotonous. Here the most way of effective communication is saying someone is speaking and you are listening, and if you are having doubt, then you are also asking the question, then I am replying to you. Okay, so this is the proper way of communication. In this way only you will get more clear idea about the concepts, and you will not have any kind of doubt in your mind, right? So without wasting much more time, let us deep into the title here, title of the subject. So next term is the fluid. What is the meaning of fluid? Before that, I would like to know from your side, everyone is understanding what I am saying, or it is necessary to repeat it in Marathi also? Whether my English is understood by everyone?
Yes.
Is anyone feeling difficult? Then I will also...
Marathi sir, in Marathi.
Okay, Marathi मध्ये पण तुम्हाला मी explain करेन, no problem. But as per our Sweri culture, you might not be knowing that in Sweri we have the culture that everyone should talk in English. Okay, staff as well as students should speak in English. The motto or the reason behind this is that the communication, our English communication should improve, and because nowadays all the technical peoples in the technical world, the way of communication is the English. That is the main reason behind that, and our communication simultaneously will go on improving. No doubt, some of the students, they may get somewhat difficulties because you have come from different backgrounds and from different colleges, where the way of communication, it may be Marathi, speaking Marathi, and teaching also might have happened in the Marathi. So here I will take the help of both language, English as well as Marathi. First, I will explain the concept in English, and then if you don't understand whatever I am teaching in English, you can ask me to repeat in Marathi. I will definitely explain the concept in Marathi. Okay, no doubt over that. Ultimate, our aim is to understand the concept. Ultimate aim of our teaching and learning is to understand the concept, learning the things, and improve our skills. Right, that is our benefit, not to learn the English itself. So let us understand the term fluid. So what is fluid? Yes, all of you have studied all things. Here, see here, many times during the lectures, I will ask the question to you so that our session will be more interactive. Okay, interactive होण्यासाठी मी तुम्हाला प्रश्न विचारत जाईन, and out of you, most of the students will be knowing the answer to that question, definitely, because all of you have completed the diploma. Though you have learned this concept 2 years back, but what are the basic things you have understood, you have learned, that will not get forgotten till the lifelong. They will remain lifelong in your mind. If you have not studied this subject by understanding it, and just for the examination purpose you have just by hearted some concept and given the examination, I think during this pandemic period, most of the students have given the online examination. So some of the students may not have studied this subject very well, so they may not be able to give the answer to the question. No doubt, don't bother about that. But those students who are able to tell the answer, they should give the answer to the questions, so that the session will be more interactive and it will not become monotonous. Okay. For your information, this is the session I have started through my login, my personal login. This session is going to end right now because it has the time limit of 40 minutes. You have to rejoin once again to this. Okay. College login we will start from the next lecture, because user ID and password, it was not created and it was not accessed. So that's why I have taken login through my personal login. Okay. So this session will end here. So I request all of you to rejoin once again on the given link on your group. Group वरती जी लिंक दिलेली आहे, त्या लिंक वरती परत क्लिक करून तुम्ही तो सेशन जॉइन व्हायचा आहे. ओके.